Hello students, myself Mr. Devesh Singh. You are most welcome in my channel AG English. Dear students, today in this class we are going to study a very important topic of grammar, that is punctuation. You know that while writing a sentence it requires many big things like that: words, spellings, words, sequence, letters writing, and punctuation. These are the parts of grammar, and if you do any mistake in these parts, definitely your sentence is not correct. So to correct the sentence, we have to take this step, and punctuation is here the chief factors that make our sentence complete. It makes our sentence a complete sense. So now see students, our topic, the chapter punctuation. The most commonly used punctuation marks are, as you study, you find out that there are different type of variation, like that full stop, comma, question mark, marks of exclamation, quotation mark. These all are the words that is related to a proper sentence, and here you have to read all those points in deep, that how you will make a sentence correct. You see, there are chiefly 5 punctuation marks. The first is full stop, second is comma, third is mark of interrogation, next is mark of exclamation, and the last is quotation marker inverted commas. Quotation marker inverted commas. Now you see students, for each topic we have some certain rules, and to follow all those rules we have to make the sentence properly. Okay, here at first you understand in a very short way, full stop. You use full stop where while writing a sentence you find that there is a long pause. There is a long pause. लंबी रुकावट आपको महसूस हो रही हो, means there is a sense of completion. At that time you will use full stop. Okay. Secondly, comma, where there is a small pause, means while writing a sentence there is a small pause. You pause for a short period, very short period. That is the place where you stop for a very short period, where you will use there comma. Okay, there you will use comma. And for comma, there are many rules. I will tell you in detail. At first, you see marks of interrogation. You know that in all the interrogative sentence, the interrogative sentence that starts with interrogative words, interrogative WH words like that: why, when, how, where, which, whom, whose. With that sentence, that means that sentence is interrogative sentence. And also that the sentence that starts with the helping verb, that is, are, in, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, would, should. तो इन सबसे भी अगर सेंटेंस आपका स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इट मींस द सेंटेंस इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो एट द लास्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस यू विल यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क, दैट इज कॉल्ड मार्क्स ऑफ इंट्रोगेशन. मार्क ऑफ इंट्रोगेशन. Okay, now you see the next is mark of exclamation. Mark of exclamation. What is mark of exclamation? In the sentence, recently you have read interjection. There is a sense of sorrow, sense of surprise, sense of joy, alas, well done, bravo, beautiful scene, how beautiful the rain is. But with a sentence, you will use exclamation mark. Means this is a part of exclamatory sentence, and there you will use marks of exclamation. Okay. Now the last part, quotation mark or inverted commas. Where you will use quotation mark or inverted comma, especially it is seen in the narration. There are two parts. The first is called reporting verb and second is reported speech. While writing a sentence of direct speech, the first column is reporting verb and the second is reported speech. So to you put a comma, at the last of reporting verb, and you put the reported speech within inverted comma. That is, here you put a quotation mark or inverted comma before and after the reported speech. Okay, so these are the symbols that makes our sentence complete and attractive. Okay, now I also explain you some details for this punctuation. You listen. You listen. Full stop is clear to you, that where you stop for a long period, that is a fully complete sense. At that place we use full stop. Okay, like that. I will go to market, I will go to school, I have completed my work, the mother has cooked the food, the father has gone to market, the teacher has taught the chapter, they will go to market. So these are the sentences that means they have a complete sense, and they will use full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, but for the comma there is variation. You see, the comma is used to at first set off a noun of address. Set off a noun of address, like that. If you call to someone, Ravi, come here. This sentence is wrong. Ravi, come here. This sentence is wrong. So, to make separate the noun from this sentence, you have to put a comma. Where you will put the comma? Just after Ravi. Ravi, come here. Ravi, यहाँ पे आपने comma डाल दिया, come here. अब ये sentence आपका क्या हुआ? Complete sentence हो गया. Okay. The second rule is separate each pair of words of the same class और काइंड मीन्स जहाँ पे सेम क्लास या सेम काइंड्स के वर्ड्स हों, सेम काइंड्स के पेयर्स ऑफ वर्ड्स हों, उनको आप अलग करेंगे. जैसे एग्जांपल आपको बता रहा हूँ. Let's see. Rich and poor, young and old were present in the program. तो यहाँ पे जो एडजेक्टिव्स का जो पेयर्स बना हुआ है, रिच एंड पुअर, यंग एंड ओल्ड, तो क्या है, ये पेयर्स वर्ड्स ऑफ पेयर्स एक दूसरे से सिमिलर मैच हो रहे हैं, एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पेयर्स ऑफ वर्ड्स को हम सेपरेट करेंगे, और जहाँ पे वर्ड्स पेयर्स में है उस पेयर्स के पास हम क्या लगा देंगे, कॉमा लगा देंगे. क्या मतलब रिच एंड पुअर इस पेयर्स है और यंग एंड ओल्ड इस सेकंड पेयर्स ऑफ वर्ड्स है. सो यू हैव टू मेक सेपरेट दिस पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स एंड यू पुट अ कॉमा हियर like that. Rich and poor, comma, young and old. Okay, were present in program. So this is the second rule for comma. Okay, now next, separate parts of a date from the other words. Separate parts of a date from the other words following the date, for example. Okay, you see example. Yes, students, this is a sentence. On 15 May 2020, we left for Delhi. On 15 May 2020, this is a word that is related to numbering words, and this is a sentence we left for Delhi. Here we have to make separate to the numbering words, to the date. So you will put a comma here on 15 May 2020. On 15 May 2020, in such type of word you will put a comma to make separate the words, because if you don't put a comma here, it means your sentence is not correct in the side of punctuations. Okay, now another rule is separate words in a series. Means if there is a words and in the words there are in the sentence there are many words, at that time you have to make separate to the series. Like that, here the example you see. You see, I bought pen, pencils, books and chocolate. तो लास्ट में तो एंड चॉकलेट है, वहाँ पे तो ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पर पेन, पेंसिल, बुक्स, ये तीनों क्या है, ये थिंग्स है, ये सीरीज है। तो चीज़ों की एक सीरीज को हमको क्या करना है, हमें सेपरेट करना है। सो टू मेक सेपरेट ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू रिक्वायर्स अ कॉमा हियर। सो यू पुट कॉमा, आई बॉट पेन, आई बॉट पेंसिल, और लास्ट में बुक्स और चॉकलेट के बीच में तो ऑलरेडी एंड दिया हुआ है, सो दैट इज करेक्ट। ओके, नाउ आई बॉट पेन, कॉमा पेंसिल्स, कॉमा बुक्स एंड चॉकलेट। Okay, now let's see the next. Separate a statement from a question tag. Separate a statement from a question tag. For example, you can see here. They do not meet me. They do not meet me. ये यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस है, they do not meet me, और इसका क्वेश्चन टैग जो है, इसका क्वेश्चन टैग हो जाएगा do they. Do they. Do they इसका क्वेश्चन टैग do they. It will be its question. You can see here, they do not meet me. Do they. This will be its question tag. Do they will be its question tag. So you have to make separate to the question tag from the sentence to make here, to put here a comma. You will put here a comma. They do not meet me. Do they. Do they. It is a question tag. Question tag क्या होता है? जैसे सेंटेंस हमने कहा कि I will go to school. तो I will go to school, और अगर उसका बोले से क्वेश्चन टैग क्या हुआ, हो जाएगा will I. Will I मीन्स जो चीज़ शॉर्टकट में उसका अपोजिट रहता है, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, और क्या मैं मतलब क्या मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा। शॉर्टकट में हम उसको क्वेश्चन टैग बोलेंगे विल आई। ओके, अगर हो गया कि दे हैव कंप्लीटेड द वर्क, व्हाट द क्वेश्चन टैग ऑफ द सेंटेंस, दे हैव कंप्लीटेड द वर्क, यू विल राइट द क्वेश्चन टैग हैव दे। वहाँ पे हैव दे करके आप वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन टैग को आप कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो दिस विल बी the question tag. You have to remember here that in the question tag, if sentence is negative, your question tag will be affirmative, and if the question tag is affirmative, your sentence will be negative. Like that here, they do not meet me. A sentence is में negative में, and this question tag is in assertive. That's clear. The next rule for comma, you see here the next rule for comma. If in a sentence, the sentence starts with yes, no, well, oh, so at that time you will make separate to that part. Like that here. Let's see. No, we shall not visit here. No, we shall not visit there. here in this sentence, students, at first you can see a no. You will make separate to no, so you will put here a comma. No, no, comma, we shall not visit there. अब आपका sentence complete हो गया. If you don't put here comma, definitely your sentence is not correct. And just after a pause, just after a sentence जब बोलेंगे आप तो कंटिन्यू ना बोलेंगे. No, we shall not go to there, we shall not visit there. ऐसे कंटिन्यू नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं आप बोलेंगे no. और वहाँ पर छोटी सी आप पॉज कर रहे हैं, रुकावट कर रहे हैं. नो, वी शैल नॉट विजिट देयर. तो नो के बाद जो छोटी सी आपकी रुकावट हो रही है, या फिर यस 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 दे हैव डन इट, यस दे हैव डन इट. तो हमने बोला यस दे हैव डन इट, यस. तो यस के जस्ट बाद थोड़ी सी एक लिटिल पॉज है, तो लिटिल पॉज के लिए हम यहाँ पे कॉमा का यूज करेंगे. एंड इफ यू डोंट डू इट, योर सेंटेंस इज नॉट करेक्ट. आई वाज ऑन स्टूडेंट्स. ये कुछ रूल्स में आपके कॉमा को यूज करने के लिए. ऐसे ही कुछ और अगर लाइक दैट एड्रेस को, कोई एड्रेस अगर आपको सपोज दैट यू आर लिविंग इन गोरखपुर, ओके, एंड योर एड्रेस इज वार्ड नंबर 4 बेतियाहाटा. आपका एड्रेस है वार्ड नंबर 4 बेतियाहाटा. ये सेंटेंस गलत है ये पूरा. इसको हम क्या करेंगे, जो नंबर दिया हुआ है ये वार्ड नंबर 4, यहाँ से हम लगाएंगे कॉमा, वार्ड नंबर 4 और फिर तब जाकर होगा बेतियाहाटा. ओके, इस तरह से आप यहाँ पे कॉमा लगा करके और सेंटेंस को आप करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा. एंड okay, now next in the next video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye.